Top 4 scariest bird sounds. Number 2 can literally talk like a human. God bless you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 1, cassowary. This is the cassowary, and its deep booming sound is way more terrifying than you expect from how it looks. Number 2, black-collared starling. This bird can copy human voices. Listen closely, this sounds way too real. Number 3, kookaburra. This might sound like laughing, but in the wild, it's actually a warning call. Number 4, horned screamer. And this one sounds straight out of a horror movie. Which one scared you the most? Comment below and follow for more.